Woo! Is another hot one. So today I got something in the mail that I've been waiting for a little while, which is nice because the person is gonna be really happy about it. I borrowed some equipment to do a music video. Like, I don't even know what it was now. Like what was that, a month ago or something? Shit. But for some reason we had forgotten the tripod behind, and finally I got the replacement tripod here. It's a Magnus video tripod. I think it's a little bit better than the one that they let me borrow because I feel really bad about leaving it behind or losing it or whatever happened. I don't even know what happened. But it's got a fluid head, and there are people outside that are being really loud, as per usual. This usually happens at like 2 in the morning too. There's people just... What are they doing? I don't even know. They're being loud though. So I'm excited to give them a call and give them the new tripod. Should be pretty cool. They should like it. And then, I don't know, what are we doing today? I don't know. It might just be a chill day. We don't know yet. I'm gonna play with this thing for a minute. Zoom, 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 zoom. Shoo. 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 Ow. I actually hit the dresser there, not the spinner thing. This is the spinner that I won. Ow. From the baby shower. There we go. That's pretty nice, huh? Oh no, it's our horse.
Big mouth.
Bowling. I think I'm winning by a little bit. By a lot of it. Just a little bit. Just a little. Who won? Wait, did I win? I think I won. The less points you get. The less points. Very nice.